I know. I've covered true classic tees plenty of times, but they just do not stop. Last time it was activewear, but now they're pushing out button-up shirts. And as someone who loves shirts, I just had to check them out and make this review for you guys. Let's get started. Now, you guys know the deal already. No sponsorship of any sort here. Everything is my own opinion, so let's just get to this review, okay? So, had these shirts for a couple of months now, and thinking back to the day I first got them, my overall first impression was how ridiculously soft these shirts were and how they feel very similar to Buttercloth shirts. Now, if you don't know Buttercloth, they are a shirt company that was featured on Shark Tank, and I like them, but they are a bit pricey, so maybe I'll do a review down the line. Who knows? So the fabric composition is a 95% cotton and a 5% spandex blend. I already mentioned how soft it is, but as for the fit, I suggest staying true to size for this one, even if you put on a couple of pounds. For example, in these clips, I was a bit lighter, but now that I've put on a bit more weight, specifically around the chest and shoulders, the fabric effortlessly molds to the shape of my body without looking like I shop at Baby Gap. I can't stress enough how soft and comfortable this shirt is. It's literally like a second skin. And even though, I've put on some weight, it still leaves me, clean lines. It doesn't look like I'm like about to burst open or anything, Now, I'll give you a 360 of the one that has been put to good use. There are no visual signs of tugging or pulling after the weight gain or even a few wash cycles. See that? It's more like fitted. It's more fitted than slim fit, I would say. Speaking of wash cycles, if you like the fit of the shirt right out of the packaging, then I suggest you air dry it. I put mine through a hot dry cycle and they did shrink a bit, but you could probably still save it by stretching it out again. That's what I did. Stretches very nicely. Taints its shape. Look at that. For durability, I've only had them for about 2 to 3 months and they've held up well so far, but I would probably air dry them from here on out because it's not a poly blend, so it doesn't have that synthetic that synthetic material to help retain its shape over time. Overall, pretty happy with these shirts. I wear them more on the casual to business casual side, but if I were to make suggestions to true classic tees, I would love to have different collar options, like an English collar or a Mandarin collar for summer, or a straight hem at the bottom to have a cleaner untucked look. Now, I may be asking for a lot here, but anyways, guys, let me know if you guys have tried these out, and if you're interested, I will make sure to leave a link down below for you guys to get a custom code for 25% off your order. I believe all you have to do is just click. It will show up on the page. It'll pop up and you got your own little custom code. But yeah, guys, that wraps up this review. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, stay safe, use condoms. See you guys. Peace.